Hello there, my name is Keith Matthews. I am professor of Christian formation and leadership at Azusa Pacific Seminary and Fuller Seminary as well. And I am delighted to be with you just for a moment to celebrate along with you the 20th anniversary of Renovation of the Heart. Renovation of the Heart is, to me, one of those Christian classics that only Dallas could write. Because Dallas studied the depth of the self probably deeper and longer than most people I could imagine. For over 45 years, he taught about these deeper aspects of the self, pondering both the dark aspects of the self as well as the redemptive aspects. And in this one little book called Renovation of the Heart, he illuminates all of those things. And I've used this book for many years in my Christian formation class, and students are deeply affected. And why are they affected? Well, because the self hasn't gotten a lot of good play over the years in the Christian community, other than its sinfulness. And Dallas saw more than just a self that was filled with sin and bound in sin. He saw the redemption that God longed to bring, and the kind of shaping of our being into Christlikeness that he really so beautifully speaks about in this book. So I'm going to celebrate along with you this 20th anniversary edition and all the little pieces that they've added. So enjoy it, and I'll enjoy it along with you as we both together journey again for another reading of Renovation of the Heart. God bless you.